Hey, welcome back to Bitter-Swede Garage. I'm Andrew, and somewhere on the West Coast is PJ. Anyway, I am still trying to figure out what to do. We'll do a little content without being able to use my shop, because if you've forgotten, I got this in the way. I do have an engine on the way. Wish me luck. So, in the meantime, I don't know when it's showing up. I've got a friend that got a pretty sweet old Chevy. I don't want to spoil it, but it's pretty nice. But he's got no spark. So, I got the Cabover loaded up here. Got some tools and stuff in here. It's also the maiden voyage of the engine cover. The wagon wheel, the wheelbarrow engine cover. So, got my charger, got some random tools. I don't think it'll be too difficult, but you never know. So, we'll head over there and check it out. Well, off we go in the cab over to my buddy Brad's house. And his pretty sweet Chevy. I'm not gonna say what it is yet. Well, here we are. That's Brad.
Get her up on.
This is her. This is her. This is his 41. Wait, 41?
Yeah, 41.
41. Chevy. It's the no spark model, but we can see if we can fix that. There. Got my crank, my spark tester on here.
You ready?
Yep. Okay. It has spark. Okay, so we got spark. Just need to check to see if we're getting fuel. I don't know if we are. But I can't see in there, but it's not squirting anything. So maybe it's just not getting fuel. We're gonna give her a little extra juice here. So Brad's car is nice. We gotta be careful.
Yeah. Ready?
See, it's gonna run. Come on now. Come on! There she goes. Running like a sewing machine. Well, I brought all these tools.
Yeah.
Not a ton, but we didn't need them. Thing fired right up. Might as well take her for a little spin. So nice. There we go. It's like the coolest feature.
Yeah.
One of the coolest.
Yeah.
Just wave. All you do is wave when that happens.
I forgot about the hard turn on the right there. Pinches that horn.
This has the Armstrong power steering.
That's right.
And 3 on the tree.
And then it doesn't. Air conditioning.
Yep. Got the vent. Nice. chirping brodies.
That's right. Let's do it.
I mean, look at this clock. Special Deluxe, it's got all the fancy things, including there's a set screw on the visor, so it slides over. Take that, Ford. Some other awesome features. Also, I have to love all the ashtrays. 1, 2, and 3. That's the best one right there. And the rest of that awesome dash. Steering wheel. I like how all the gauges are off to the left there.
This opens and it goes right there. So I can hold it.
Getting that $429 premium.
Yeah.
America.
Definitely wasn't like that in 41. What was the price of gas was that?
10 cents? I don't know.
It's in my mind too. It's when you had service stations, people come up and fill it up for you.
Now we gotta fill it ourselves and pay $4.29. It's gonna be a communist country.
Yeah. $19.
19 bucks for what? 4.6 gallons.
She was halfway.
Hey, you know what? Freedom isn't free, okay?
Right.
This thing smiles per gallon. Well, here's the real question, Brad. Will it start up after we just... Oh,
Boom!
like a
Right away.
like a champ.
Like a champ.
This is our old high school. Started in 1878, added on in 1926, and again in 1939. So, what a better shot for the 41 Chevy.
1941, Grandma and Grandpa, Long Beach, California, just bought it new right before he went off to Okinawa in World War II.
And then you have some other...
And then here is them in 1991 posing on our family farm. Same pose, same situation with getting the car back.
So, quite the history. No, you know, cruise would be complete without bringing it down to the barber shop.
America.
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 The old filling station, if you know what I mean. All right, well, we visited the barber shop here. Now we're gonna head back. Hopefully it starts up.
Oh, baby.
Oh yeah.
She's going.
Here we go. Home again. Jiggity jog. Well, Brad and I were just kind of hanging out, enjoying the nice weather, but it's got a little cloudy. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Got this old 41 Chevy Deluxe back on the road. Didn't take a lot, just needed more gas. But thanks for watching Bitter-Swede Garage, and we'll check you next time.